All right, I think I'm recording again. Next, we're going to go over a budget example. This will definitely be on the exam. It's going to be using that budget sample that I sent you. So, all right, here we go. Let's say we have a couple. We'll call them, we had the same one as Bill and Sue. Here's Bill and Sue. Here's their monthly net income. Here's how much they bring home basically after taxes, okay? And here are all of their expenses, okay? Got that? Here are the categories for your budget. And here is, we'll do your goal. Your goal budget should be, like if you're bringing in $8,400, your goal emergency savings should be 10% of that, which would be $840. And then for the rest, I actually cheated. I'm just going to plug these in here. But you'll have to calculate these. Right? So all you would do would be, hold on here. I just like it when all the x's look the same and everything like that. I like the thick bottom borders and like the nice thick lines. Okay. So what you're going to do is you want to take, based on their income, and see where they should be. So you're going to take 20. So you're going to take this 840. I'm just going to put it here. Be easy. You can do this by hand or whatever. 840 times 0.2, that's 1,600. Or 840 times 0.3, that'd be 2,500, right? So you're going to basically figure out what their range is, what their goal should be for their budget. You know they're bringing home $8,400 a month. These are the recommended ranges that you should have in your budget, and then we're going to figure out exactly what are they doing. Did I say okay? So let's go to the first category here, emergency savings. Do you see emergency savings in here? I don't. The total is going to be 0. Bad. Housing. There we go. Rent. The rent's going to be $2,200 a month. You're done with that, right? Let's just go ahead. What do we want to do? We'll do that like yellow, right? Oh no, we don't want to do that. We want that to still be black, but we want this to be yellow, right? Utilities. Utilities would be, you can put Verizon, you can put cable, you can put electricity, you can put gas. I think that's right. Is that 30 cents? That's right. So I would do boom, get rid of all these. How are they doing? Let's kind of review as we go. Off of the $8,400 a month, they should be saving 10%, which would be $840. Let's get that over on that side. They're doing 0. They're doing nothing. That's bad. Let's put that in the bad column here, right? Here, their housing, which would be their rent, they should be in this range, 1,680 to 2,500. That's pretty good. Okay, that's good. Their utilities should be ideally between 4 and 7%, which that would end up being $336 to $588. They're saving, they're spending $370, which is pretty good actually. Food, let's see how they're doing in food. Okay, boom. Food's gonna be right here. They're doing $850, which is pretty good. That's actually very good, right? Transportation. What's transportation? It's gonna be their car payment, right? Plus their auto insurance, plus their gas. That's gonna be $1,010. That should be between $504 and $680. So that's pretty good. They're in pretty good shape there, right? So to get that, auto, take gas out of there too. So we're kind of chipping away at this thing. Medical. What will go into their medical of all these health insurance, obviously, right? So we're going to go here. and they should be between $168 and $672. They're in pretty good shape. That looks good. Debts. What kind of debts do they have? Credit card debt, $1,900. Okay. So we're going to put 1,900 in there and wipe this sucker out here. So how are they on their debt? They're a little high on debt. They should be between 1,260 and 1,680. So they're a little high on that. So we're going to put that in the bad zone. Entertainment. That would be, I'm going to put there, movies, concerts, that kind of stuff. I mean, this, you can tell this is an older example. So that's actually not bad because it should be between, 252 and 420. Clothes and dry cleaning. It's going to go in there. That's pretty good because it should be between 168 and 336. Goal savings. Like, do they have a kind of a goal? Is there anything left on here that they have a goal for? Maybe this right here. This, they're saving for a dream Hawaii vacation, right? But still, it's a little low, right? Maybe they should save some more money for, retirement, all that kind of stuff. And then the last category would be this miscellaneous. And I put miscellaneous, toiletries, beauty, just to make it kind of obvious. So there, and they're within the range. So then so you won't be able to do this like in an Excel spreadsheet. It just makes it easier. I'll give you the categories. I'll give you the expenses, and then I'll ask you questions about it. So if you look at this, and the last thing would be, what kind of recommendations would you make for them? Obvious recommendations would be put more money into emergency savings, right? Cut down on your debt. Or you know what, they're doing the best they can. So it might not be bad. They might be paying a lot more in their debt because they're trying to attack the debt. So it's not necessarily bad, but just to know this debt number is a little higher than what they should have. And they should put more money in goal savings. Aside from that, they look fine. I mean, there's some areas where they're really, really low, like in food. I mean, what are these people doing? I mean, they're not eating anything. Transportation, they're good. Medical, they're fine. Entertainment, they're on the low side, which is really, I mean, they're technically low, but that's okay. Clothes, very low, but that's okay. And then miscellaneous, trending towards the high side, but overall not so bad. So you will get an example somewhat similar to this, and you'll have to basically figure out, the first thing you have to figure out is what their goals should be, what the ranges should be. And the second thing I want you to figure out is kind of how they're actually performing. And then at the end, make a couple recommendations. And that's it for budgets. All right. See ya.